Hope you're doing wonderful out there. Okay, so prior to make any kind of a post, you want to arrange your pictures. So in your typical post, vernacular.com, the cover photo or the featured photo is the most important photo that is coming in the first place. And I have arranged certain pictures in one particular special extension. Now see, this is the cover picture, so you can find out what is the size of that picture. So remember to make your picture size as 1125 into 515. That's perfect. And then after that, I also have arranged some other pictures also. So make a note, another one. This particular picture is WebP format. Once again, I'm showing you in the properties, this particular picture is in WEBP file. That means it's not a JPG, it's a WebP format. Now when you are downloading any picture from website, make sure that picture is not a copyrighted one. Otherwise people will report you and there are chances that you get blocked. I'll also guide you how to find non-copyright pictures. If you're coming to Google, if you want to find any pictures, you can find it very easily. So I have taken you to Google now. As I have selected a title called 10 Tips to Remember What You Read in a Book. So I'm going to find some pictures with the name of reading. Okay, so I have just typed reading and go to these images. Once you go to the images, you have to click Tools. Then after that, go to User Right. Then after that, choose Creative Commons license. When you are making Creative Commons license, the pictures what is appearing in front of you can be used for our website purposes. So these pictures what is appearing in front of you under Creative Commons license can be used. You don't have to worry about license. Now you can download these pictures as JPG format and cut according to your wish. Then after that, there is an online tool. Okay, I'll show you WPBP. Here is this. imageonlineconverter.com. In that, if you just mention as this one exactly, you can convert any file by choosing the location. Now simply you have to choose the file. You can choose the file from your computer. And then after that it will convert you that picture as a WebP format. Now you understood how to convert the picture. Now let's move on and start doing the post. Right. After you are arranging all the required pictures, you're going to your dashboard. Now when you're going to your dashboard, you can see there is something called new here. The first thing is post. Lovely, isn't it? Now once you have coming inside the post, you have to set certain things. The first of all, your title. So what I have chosen is the title I'm going to type here. Look at this. 10 tips to remember what you read in a book. Fantastic. And then after that, you can come to the featured image in this particular location and you have to set a featured image. So I already got the featured image downloaded to my mobile or my computer. So you're going to upload that one. To upload that one, you have to go and click this upload file button. Then after that, select the file. You have to select that one from your computer now. So this particular picture is the picture that I am going to put as the cover picture or the featured picture. So I'm going to open that one and that is uploaded now. Then set featured image button is appearing down here. Just click it. One thing that I have to say to you, it's very important. Make sure the picture is very much less in size. This picture is only 37 kilobytes. That's because we have converted this picture to WebP format. If it is JPG, it will take more size. Why we want to put less size image? That's because when you're uploading pictures with more image sizes, your website will get stuck and people will have bad experience browsing the website. The pictures, whatever we are loading, you can see another picture I have chosen. It is only 96 kilobytes here, but that's a JPG format. When you're using the web format, WebP, that means web picture format, that will give you a less space. Now that we have already set the picture, the cover picture. Now let's understand how to start the work. Now I have already created certain things here. I have typed my things, my entire passage. Now simply you have to start type or to choose a block. Now what I'm going to do is whatever I have typed, I can cut and paste here. I have my Word document, so I cut and paste all the things. You see this one? Isn't it very nice? Okay. Now if you go and choose this introduction, you can just make it as block. It's bold letters and pay attention while reading. I'm just making it bold. So these kind of thing you can do. Taking a notes, that's the second point. I'm making it bold. And this one also, I'm making it bold. Use a sticky note, I'm making it bold. Use visualization techniques, making it bold. Now summarize what you have read, making it bold. Take breaks, making it bold. In case if you want to make something as a quotation, so I have chosen this. The good news is that there is simple strategies you can use to improve your reading retention. Here are 10 tips. I want to make this one as a quotation. So simply you are clicking on that and you can make it as a quotation here. You see, it's becoming a quotation now with this particular bar here. Now I feel this particular blog is very dull without any images. So we can insert an image if you want. So what you have to do is you have to click on the place where you want to insert the image. I want to insert the image right here. So I just put an enter and type to choose a block. In this place you can click this add a block and you can put an image. Now I'm just typing I am, then image will come here. Look at this. So I am inserting the image and then after that it will ask you to upload once again. Now I just want to choose this image and I'll open that image there. You see this one? Now that image also came. Now if you can align this image, align to left, you see, or align to right. You can align as you wish. And then after that you can minimize this picture as per your wish. Just choosing this particular dots over here in the foreside. I have already done one picture. I think I have to put another picture here. So okay, below that you come to this point and when the cursor is getting blinked, enter, and then after that plus, and then after that image. You see this one? Once again I'm going to upload my second image also. This is the second image that I'm going to upload. Well, it's good to go. Now you can choose this bar and choose whether you want to align left, align center or align right. I feel that I want to align right that also and make it a little smaller. Now you're good to go and nothing you have to do, so you can definitely make it different. Now you're thinking that this particular introduction word has to be a little larger than what I have chosen. Now you see, when you choose this introduction, it says size, small, medium, large, XL. I'll just put medium, I'll just put large. You see, it's becoming large size now. That's really interesting because introduction we can put. Now pay attention while you're reading. You feel that I want to make a little bigger also. So you're making it medium. Or you can make it large also, but medium would be fine. Like that you can arrange your notes. I put medium to take notes also. Now if you want to change the color of this particular word, That also can be done. You see this color text. You can change the color of the text, like you can choose the red color if you want, right? So I made it red, and then after that you see the conclusion part, the heading of that particular conclusion word is becoming red. So there are other features also, like you don't want to, like you can do some heading codes and things like that. It is not required for you now. So you're good to go, and you're ready to go, by the way. So that's it. You can straightly publish this particular and done, and you're ready to go ahead. Once it is done and it is published, it'll say that your post got published and you can view the post. So that's all. So your post is ready. Now you can view the post, how it looks like. Let's see how it is looking like. Isn't it beautiful? Your things are very professionally appearing. How things should be, it is there. And people will read, and people will come and share this one in the Facebook or Instagram or anything. If anybody wants to put a comment, they can put a comment also. Now there's a question arising to you that whether can I edit this one once again for some reasons. Yes. There is a category that we did not mention, the category where it should go. So it comes under as uncategorized one. If you choose personality development, both of our earlier version of personality development headings will be there. But this particular post, what we have done, comes under uncategorized. So that's not a good one. So we are going to change, or we are going to edit this one. So you can directly do that one from here. You see this one, when you're coming to this particular post, it says, as you're an admin, you can say, you can edit the category directly from here. Right? It says uncategorized. We are going to do some categorization here. I changed the category as name. I put education, and slug also I put in the simple letters education, and I'm just updating it. So it says category not updated, because you cannot change uncategorized category, because it is automatically taking its particular name. So there will be an uncategorized every time that as a reserved one. So we cannot do anything for that one. So what we're going to do is we are going to go once again to the post. To go to the post, in the dashboard you can see post, and all post is there. You click that all post. Every of your post will come in front of you now. See, the last one is clearly mentioned here, categorize, uncategorize. Tags, we didn't put any tags also. What we can do is you can go again and click edit here. Wait for some time to load. Now you can come to this particular post once again, and then you see categories here. Click there, and you see there are education, entertainment, gardening, personality development, real estate, technology, everything is there. If you want a new category, you can add a new category. But as it is already there, education, we can choose education and undo the uncategorized area. If you think that I want to put that one to another category, you can choose 2 categories over here. You can create unlimited number of categories. And if you want to make more categories, you can do that also. One more thing is there are tags. That's very important. You can write any short tags like education tips. You can type any tags over there with a comma. It says separate with commas or the enter key. So you always have to remember that. When you make tags, make some short tags so that people will search in a nice way. So I have done the categorization, and after that one you can see update. Later, if you're thinking that you want to make some addition to this post what you have just made in a later date. So do remember one thing, that if you want to add some more information to this and update, always remember, come to this publish area. Okay, and then after that, you can change the date. You can change the date by clicking on it. So the later date would be fantastic. So that means today when I'm recording, it is around about 7:48 p.m. So that if you want to make any changes and later date, if you want to come, you always remember to change the date and click the update once again. Finally, you came to know that how to make a beautiful post, and after that categorization also done. So now the uncategorized become education here, because we have chosen this particular post for under education. It is readable and it is looking beautiful. The quotation is also coming very beautifully, and all the headings, subheadings are made properly with the right blog letters, and readable things are very much readable, and the pictures are aligned properly, and people will read and come to know what we are talking about. Thank you so much. I hope you will do more and more posts and start writing, and whatever the post or writing available, you can start writing and make it publish on your website. More the post, people will search you more. Good luck to you.